Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly special for you. The 2025 McLaren W1. This is the real sports car, pushing the boundaries of performance, design, and technology. McLaren has always been about speed, precision, and pure driving pleasure, and the W1 is no exception. So let's dive deep into what makes this car a masterpiece. The 2025 McLaren W1 is the latest addition to McLaren's lineup, and it's designed to be the ultimate road-legal track car. It sits above the 750S and even challenges the P1 in terms of performance. Built on McLaren's cutting-edge carbon fiber monocage 3 chassis, the W1 is lighter and stiffer than any of its predecessors. The aerodynamics have been fine-tuned in the wind tunnel, ensuring maximum downforce while keeping drag to a minimum. Every line, every curve of this car serves a purpose: to cut through the air as efficiently as possible. When you look at the exterior, the first thing that grabs your attention is the aggressive styling. The front fascia is lower and wider with an active splitter that adjusts based on speed and driving conditions. The LED headlights are sharper, inspired by McLaren's Formula One technology, providing better illumination while adding to the car's menacing look. Moving to the side, the massive air intakes ensure optimal cooling for the powerful engine, while the sculpted side skirts improve aerodynamics. The doors retain the signature dihedral design but are now made from a single-piece carbon structure for weight savings. At the rear, you get an active wing that not only improves downforce but also acts as an air brake for high-speed stability. The exhaust system has been redesigned, featuring top-mount titanium pipes that produce an absolutely savage sound. The entire exterior is a perfect blend of function and form, making the W1 stand out on any road or track. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit built purely for the driver. The minimalist design keeps distractions to a minimum, focusing on performance and control. The seats are lightweight carbon fiber buckets, offering maximum support while keeping weight down. The Alcantara and leather upholstery provide a balance of luxury and sportiness. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, changing based on the driving mode. McLaren's latest infotainment system is integrated into a vertical touchscreen, offering seamless connectivity and navigation. However, McLaren has kept the interface simple. This is a driver's car, and unnecessary tech gimmicks have been stripped away. Even the steering wheel is inspired by F1, featuring no buttons, just pure grip and control. Everything inside is about reducing weight and enhancing the driving experience. Under the hood, or rather behind the seats, lies a beastly 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a mind-blowing 900 horsepower. This power is sent to the rear wheels via a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. The acceleration figures are astonishing: 0 to 60 mph in just 2.3 seconds, making it one of the quickest McLarens ever built. The top speed, over 230 mph. But it's not just about straight line or speed. The suspension has been completely reworked, featuring McLaren's latest proactive chassis control, ensuring razor-sharp handling. The steering is hydraulic, providing unmatched feedback, something purists will love. The braking system is equally impressive, with carbon ceramic discs and F1-derived calipers that bring the car to a stop with brutal efficiency. Whether on a track or a twisting mountain road, the W1 offers an experience like no other. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 McLaren W1 starts at around $1,200,000, making it an ultra-exclusive machine reserved for serious collectors and enthusiasts. However, with customization options from McLaren Special Operations, that price can easily go higher. Limited production means only a select few will ever own one, making it a future classic in the making. So is the McLaren W1 the real sports car? Absolutely. It's raw, aggressive, and engineered to perfection. It stays true to McLaren's philosophy of lightweight performance while integrating the latest advancements in aerodynamics and technology. This isn't just another supercar, it's a statement, a masterpiece of engineering designed to thrill. That's it for today's review. Let me know what you think of the 2025 McLaren W1 in the comments. Is this the ultimate sports car? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic car reviews. See you in the next one.